Good morning, students. So, today we'll again revisit the chapter fractions and decimals once more. So, let us study the important question: how do I express fraction as decimals? Means, how we can write fractional number as decimals. So, the first method is using long division method. Means, by using the long division, if we divide long, then there, by that method we can convert fraction into decimal. Let us see. In this long division method, numerator goes inside and denominator goes outside. Let us see one problem. 3 by 8. As you can see here, 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. So numerator will go inside and denominator will come outside. So we can write like this. Numerator goes inside 3 and denominator goes outside, that is 8. So we can say 3 is divided by 8. Now see, 3 is a smaller number and 8 is a bigger number. So we cannot divide 3 by 8. So what we'll do, we will put one decimal point. So after putting decimal point, we'll write two zeros. So as because 3 is smaller than 8, so we'll write 0 point. So now what you can see, 8 3 is 24. So 10 minus 4 you will get as 6. Okay, 30 minus 24 is 6 and then 0 will append it down, so you will get 60. Now again 8 7 is 56. So 56, so now remainder is again 4. So again we can add one more 0. So now you will get 40. Now 8 5 is 40. So how much you got the answer as? Now see 0.375. So your answer will be 0.375. Now see it ends, it finishes. So we can write as terminate. If it doesn't finish, we can call as the repeated. For example, 0.3756778. If it goes on, then we call as the repeating. If it ends, for example, see here it ends. Now we cannot divide further. So 0.375. So we can say this is a terminate one. Okay. So in this manner we can divide any two numbers. Let us take one more example. 3 by 4. So numerator will be inside and denominator will be outside. In this manner. So just write 0.00 10, then comes point. 4 7 is 28. So I do 28. Now 30 minus 28 will give you 2. So 2 and 0 will again come down, 20. So now 4 5 is 20. So answer is 0. So you got 0.75. Okay. So if I express 3 by 4 in decimal, we'll get 0.75. Now we can express any fractions which has the denominator as power of 10. For example, here you can see denominator is 10. If we have 10, 100, 1000, so it is very easy to convert into decimal such fractions. So what is the procedure? You see here 2 by 10. So how to do, you see? Now 10 means this is the 10th place, so the 2 needs to be in the 10th place. Now 2 by 10. Okay. Now see here. This is the decimal point. The left hand side point is ones, tens, 100, 1000. And the right hand side of this point, that means this is 10th, 100 and 1000. Now this is 10 is downside, means 10th. So we can write this is 10th So this 2 will come in the 10th place, that is here. If it is 100, this 2 will come in the 100th place. So answer is 0.2. Let us try one more. 23 by 100. Now this is 100 is in the denominator, means 100th place. So you write this table. So point, this is ones, this is 10th, 100 and 1000. Now 23 is in 100th place. So this 23 you write here, 3 and 2. You will get 23. So answer is 0.23. Let us see one more. 567 by 1000. So this is the 1000th place. So this is in the table, this is ones, 10th, 100 and 1000th. So 5, 6, 7 we have to write here. Lastly 7, 7, 6 and 5. So answer will be 0.567. Let us take one more. 4 by 1000. So same here, point left hand side is ones, right hand side is 10th, 100 and 1000th. Now 1000th place number is 4. So this 4 will write here. And remaining empty places will put as 0. So you can see here we'll add 4 and these vacant places will write as 0. So answer will get 0.004. So you can see 0.004. How do I express mixed numbers as decimal? So we have seen just a simple fraction, how we can convert into decimal. Let us see how we can convert mixed number into decimals. So mixed number, remember, mixed number, it comprises a whole number as well as a proper fraction. So how we'll do? First of all, we'll set up long division on the fraction part. Place whole number in front of decimal. Let us see one example. 5 1 by 8. How we can convert into decimal? Now this 1 by 8 first we'll divide. First we'll divide this fractional part. So 1 will be inside, 8 will be outside. So 0.00. Then again 0 will write. Now 8 1 ja is 8. So 10 minus 8 will give you 2. Then 0 will come down 20. Now again 8 2 ja 16. Okay. Now you subtract 20 minus 16. It will give you 4. Again put 1 0. So now 8 5 ja is 40. So how much you got? You got answer as 0.125. So this 1 by 8 will give you 0.125. Okay. Now this whole number 5 just add in the front. So you have to divide 1 by 8 and with the answer just append, just add this 5 in the front, means in the left hand side of the decimal. So answer will get, final answer is 5.125. Let us try one more question. 12 5 by 8. So same process we will do once more. 5 by 8. So 5 will be inside and 8 will be outside. So just go on division, how we have divided into the previous question. 8 6 ja 48. So 50 minus 48 will give you 2. 0 will come down. Now 8 2 ja is 16. Now 20 minus 16 will give you 4. Okay. Now again 8 5 ja 40. Okay. Now 8 5 ja will give you 40. So you got answer as 0.625. You got 0.625. So just append this number in the front. So you will get 12.625. Now how we can convert mixed fraction which has a denominator in the power of 10? That means mixed fraction whose denominator is 10 or 100 or 1000 in simple manner. So it is very simple. First, like the previous one, we'll see the fractional part. 567 by 1000. So this is a thousand place. So we write from here 7, 6, 5. Okay, 7, then come 6, then come 5. And this number 3 will write in the ones place. So answer will get 3.567.